David Adams here. It's main event time. Epic Church International, Sayreville, New Jersey. Mass casualty incident 2. And I'm joined by
the Boulder of Excellence, Lars, Madison, and Michael's Amaydo.
Which one is it, sir? Is this a three-man commentary team or two?
Yeah, you can't count. There's me, you, and me, Lars Madison. I'm always here.
Can I be honest? You scare the heck out of me, but I like your style. So let's do this.
Let's do it. I'm excited about both competitors. They're both great in ring, and this is going to be a great match.
Well, this is me speaking of Michael's Amaydo. We have Matt Macintosh, and we have the Green Machine, Mike Orlando. First time ever here at SWF. Who do you got, Michaels?
I got the Green Machine. I think his power and strength is going to definitely be a problem for Matt Macintosh.
And now my question for Lars Madison, the same. Who do you got, Lars?
I think my kid is crazy over here. Macintosh is going to use his smaller stature to cause issues for the Green Machine.
Well, it's great points by both of you, gentlemen. Thank you. We're starting things off, cooking it low and slow. These two gentlemen feeling each other out. Big feel atmosphere, main event time. What do you think about the Epic Church International, our debut here for SWF Live?
I think it's been a great debut. I love the venue. It looks really cool. There's projector screens. This is a great place to wrestle. I had some good luck here tonight, so I've enjoyed being here as well.
Well, it's a great point by both of you guys. Thank you, Michaels. Thank you, Lars, for joining me. And now, I don't think that Matt Macintosh wants to join us at all.
Oh, no, he's using his mind here. He's making the Green Machine come after him.
Well, both of them have gone through the curtain.
Oh.
That vending machine wasn't us. We want to be invited back. All right.
That definitely sounded like the vending machine. What a kick. Right to the mouth. That would bruise a bad apple anytime.
Certainly that kind of produce doesn't want to be handled by anyone.
Ooh, and another vicious strike from the Green Machine.
Well, we've seen Matt Macintosh in a variety of big-time fights here at SWF Live over the years. This one could be one of the most significant, as this could be a battle for dominance in that top-tier positioning here, the main event level status, gentlemen, at SWF Live.
I'm new to SWF. I actually represent Appetite to Fight, but I've seen these guys in other places, and they're phenomenal. What a chop.
I'm glad we're up here. Wait a minute, move that out of the way. Mike Orlando making sure that they don't get counted out.
Smart move right there from the big man. Oh.
And that was one hell of a kick right to the mush.
That's a smashed apple. Orlando moves so well for a big man.
He really does. So versatile. And Matt Macintosh bounces off of him like a concrete wall.
You see, Lars, that's that power I'm talking about that Macintosh can have trouble with. Watch, once he recollects himself, he'll be able to come up with a game plan to get around that strength disadvantage.
It's a great point, Lars. And now Matt Macintosh regrouping his apple orchard here.
Oh, he's lucky he got away from that big man falling on you. That's going to cause some pain.
And Mike Orlando stalking his prey like a true warrior does. He's hunting, and now he's going to try and outsmart Macintosh. But Macintosh, he's not running away. He's biding time, and this is a psychological warfare tactic getting inside the brain as he now has disappeared under the ring.
Oh, yeah, he's playing games with him. He's making him chase him, trying to get him to breathe heavier, so then that way he can tire him out later in the match.
I think he's just frustrating him, Lars. A frustrated man doesn't think as well as a non-frustrated man.
And the more frustrated you get, the more aggression you have, the more aggressive you are, you lose your stamina
and there's
quicker.
Macintosh outsmarting him. He came out the same side he entered, and Orlando was looking for him on a different side and got caught.
I'd hate to say that Lars was right, but he recollected himself and now he took advantage. That leg might become a problem for him later in the match.
As we're going to try and get our cameraman to zoom in here the best possible, we have a great view of the action far away from the ring. These two men going to war, and Nothing should stop them from entertaining the fans. And now Matt Macintosh trying to take the knee right off the leg of Mike Orlando.
That's smart game planning. A big man that can't move is an easier big man to beat.
It's true. And also Matt Macintosh knows if he immobilizes that leg, he won't get caught with a big, heavy boot like he did minutes ago in this main event fight.
Very true. Now protect his face. And he ain't gonna look as tall if he's on his ass the whole time.
Very true. It's okay. It's okay. God says the word ass from time to time. It can mean a donkey. It's okay.
That's true, Lars. And you know, he's forgiving as well.
Yeah, he does.
Orlando has a history of a bad knee, so this is also very smart game planning.
Absolutely. Matt Macintosh now. Bad apple and calling the crowd losers. Lars, he's calling you a loser too.
I don't think he meant me.
Maybe you, Michaels?
People call me a loser before, but I prove them wrong each time.
It's true. Good job. Resilience, I like that.
The crowd is behind the Green Machine pretty well so far in this match.
Certainly, the Green Machine, Mike Orlando, has become one of those top-level independent superstars on the independent circuit over the past couple years. Hard work, perseverance, but a basement dropkick to that recently repaired knee of Mike Orlando, who spent some time on the shelf with knee surgery, and Matt Macintosh knows that, and he's scouting it well. And you better make sure you're ready to go if you're going to get in the ring with Matt Macintosh, because he's going to take advantage of every possible factor to get the win.
I predicted it early when you asked me who I thought was going to win. Macintosh's mind is sharp, and he's proving it with each attack on that leg.
And now Mike Orlando on one leg. He's got him on the shoulders, but right there. Did you see the knee buckle, Lars? And Michael, for that matter.
Oh, yeah, did it cost him heavily. He has a lot of heart, but he should have thought smarter. Maybe try not to go for such a power move at that moment.
Quote unquote, how do you like them apples? Knee right to the mush. Can he get him right here? But no, two. Great strategy from the bad apple, Matt Macintosh. I don't always like his brash, cocky attitude, but his ring psychology and intuition is, bar none, some of the best I've ever seen in professional wrestling.
You can't be that good and not be confident.
Absolutely. I've known Matt Macintosh for many years, and he gets better and better year in and year out. And right now, he's taking it to the Green Machine. And I'm not surprised. Mike Orlando better have known he was in for a fight here at the Epic Church.
You can tell Mike Orlando has a ton of heart. He won't give up on this one. And he knew this wasn't going to be a quick match. He knew this was going to be a long haul of grind.
Matt Macintosh ducking the clothesline, grabbing him by the knee, and a knee breaker from the bad apple.
That knee's got to be killing him right now. You can see the grimace in his face.
Oh,
he's in agony.
He's going tears. He's doing the tears right there. And to quote him, how do you like them apples? This could be the victory moments away, Michael. Moments away, Lars.
This is a big feather in Macintosh's hat as he pulls it off.
And now Matt Macintosh to the high-rank district here at the Epic Church, Sayreville, New Jersey. The bad apple is gonna goes for that.
Oh, that had to hurt Orlando's knees putting him up, but it was effective hurting Macintosh as well.
Went for the swanton, catches the knees right between the shoulder blades. And this is the opening that the Green Machine needs, but he needs to capitalize, and he needs to capitalize now.
No doubt, definitely. He's measuring him up. He's hoping. Oh, there he goes. Smart move staying at the ropes to keep himself based so he'd have a way to hit him.
Absolutely. And now, Matt Macintosh trying to build momentum again, but a face wash right across the brim of the nose. Macintosh is stunned once again. Mike Orlando, what's he got in store next? A big splash, but nobody's home. Big back body drop. Flying cross body.
We put over the mind of Macintosh earlier, but the Green Machine just showed great intellect. His knees hurt. He found a way to hold on to the rope to keep him stable, and Macintosh just kept feeding into big strike after big strike. And a beautiful crossbody.
Oh, and right there, both men with a damaged knee now in this match. I believe they both have a damaged left knee in this match.
Oh.
So the way I see it, we're split even. We're back to square one.
This is an even playing ground. This is not good. Macintosh is in big time trouble.
Lars, leave my camera alone.
I like to play hijinks on people sometimes. Lars, quit being premature.
Can you control him? You got a match to call.
I'm trying. It's delicious sometimes.
It happens. As this action continues, Mike Orlando now, he's got Matt Macintosh positioned in a very precarious spot. Could be high reward, high risk as well.
What a beautiful slam there.
Unbelievable. His rendition of a razor's edge for the 1-2. Oh, wait a minute, let's focus on that.
The ring awareness of Macintosh on that is amazing.
The hand is on the bottom rope.
Going back to the razor's edge, Orlando's showing his intellect again, using the top rope to be able to get him in it. His leg is hurt. He ain't able to lift him up in the powerbomb formation to get him into the cross.
And
that was beautiful.
He wants him halfway across the ring. Oh, and a drop toe hold from Macintosh now to the damaged leg of Mike Orlando. Something's got to give here. Human chest at its finest.
Oh, and that kick out of his leg as well.
A move that Matt Macintosh has perfected. I've seen people copy it all over. It started with Matt Macintosh, folks.
That was beautiful.
Beautiful swanton.
I'm impressed by both these athletes.
The amount of agility and athleticism to pull off that low-angle basement-style German release suplex from a weird angle like that. I've seen people copy it on the indies and not nearly as good, and I've seen people copy it on television, not as good.
You can't copy the originator. The originator is always better. Oh, wait, we talked about that leg earlier. Oh!
Destroyer! Destroyer!
1, 2, 3!
He got that!
What a match! I told you, Lars, I told you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this unforgettable main event, the Green Machine, Mike Orlando! Unbelievable! That Machine Shop Destroyer, good enough for the 1, 2, 3, hit to perfection.
That was a phenomenal match, and this crowd is applauding it because of it.
Well, we thank you all so much for joining us for an epic night at the Epic Church International SWF Live, debuting in a new venue here in Sayreville. Lars, Madison, and Michael's Amaydo, thank you for joining me for calling the action.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it big time.
Michael's, I love you. Lars scares the crowd out of me. Thank you so much for your professionalism. We all went home unscathed here tonight.
And that's the most important thing. Thank you.
As the celebration continues, Mike Orlando wins. SWF Live has taken over Sayreville, New Jersey. Good night, everyone. Take care. We'll see you next time, courtesy of Coliseum Home Video.